What a fantastic day to dive into the month of July challenge. Can you believe it's already day 5? Hope you're all having an amazing month so far because today, we're celebrating those luscious sun-kissed strawberries straight from the garden. Yum! Strawberries aren't just a tasty summer treat. They're like little nutritional powerhouses. Seriously, they're packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants. I mean, how awesome is that? Their vibrant red color screams vitamin C, which is fantastic for boosting your immune system and keeping your skin looking fresh. Plus, these tiny fruits are loaded with antioxidants that help protect your cells and reduce inflammation. You can enjoy strawberries in so many ways. Whether you're munching on them fresh, blending them into smoothies, or whipping up some delicious desserts. They can totally elevate any dish with their sweet and slightly tart flavor. Think about it. They're perfect for topping off salads, giving a refreshing twist to your favorite recipes, or being the star of homemade jams and jellies, and growing strawberries in your own garden. It's just pure joy. Imagine wandering through your garden, plucking ripe strawberries, and savoring their juicy sweetness. Moments like that make gardening so magical, don't you think? So today, let's take a minute to appreciate life's simple pleasures. Let's celebrate nature's gift and indulge in the sweet, juicy goodness of those garden-fresh strawberries. Toss them into your breakfast, sprinkle them on salads, or just enjoy them on their own. This is day 5 of our challenge, and if you're still with me, drop a still here in the comments. Love to see who's sticking around after day 5. And if you're new to the party, write new here and let me know which video brought you in. Always excited to welcome new friends to our little community. Thank you all for being here. Your support means the world to me, and I'm so glad you're enjoying this journey together. If you're new, I'm thrilled to have you, and I can't wait for you to explore what's coming up next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow for day 6 of the month of July challenge. Have an absolutely fantastic day, everyone. Bye for now.